This video will show you how to replace the front master window switch on a Toyota Matrix. This will be attached to your front door panel. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To remove the front window switch, we're going to remove the entire plastic panel. For this, you want to carefully make your way up in between this area, separating the trim panel from your door panel. Now for this, I'm just using a small pocket screwdriver. I don't want to cause any damage, but this is small enough to make its way in this area. We'll start rolling this up and out of position. On this area, you're going to find that it has a hooked end. Now we should be able to lift this up into a position that we can gain access to our locking tab. We'll squeeze in on the locking tab and dislodge the window switch. A quick inspection for corrosion, of course. And now we can remove the window switch from the window switch trim panel. Now we're bringing this over to the bench so we can look along the backside. When looking at this, you're going to find that you have 3 Phillips head screws, 1 up along the top and 2 down along this area. Let's go ahead and remove all of them. A thorough inspection of all hardware as we continue on, replace as necessary. All 3 pieces of hardware should look exactly the same. You do not need to worry about mixing them up. Let's hold the trim panel and remove the switch. There it is, friend. Okay, let's prepare to install our window switch. We have our plastic trim panel. We'll turn that so we're looking at the back side. Take that window switch, we're going to align it so it's in the proper positioning here. Rest this down on the bench. Continue on with all 3 of your mounting screws. Start them in and snug them up. They're all started in. Let's make sure they're tight. Let's get this over to the vehicle. Over at the vehicle, it's time to connect the window switch. So we have our connector, we're aligning our locking tab area and pressing this together. After an audible click, just give it a light tug, confirming it's properly secured in place. Now as we bring this over towards the door panel, we have to look at the trim panel for the window switch. I mentioned there's a small hooked area. That's going to go around this area of the door panel, and then we'll roll the next portion down to the locked position along the forward side. Let's just double check to make sure this is completely flush with the door panel. Put the key in the on position and we'll test the functionality here. That works. Door lock works as well. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.